Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we delve into the wonders of the natural world and explore the incredible stories that shape our planet. I am your host, David, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this journey. Today, we're going to take you to the beautiful Kangaroo Island in South Australia, where a remarkable conservation effort is underway to eradicate one of the most ruthless predators threatening the island's unique wildlife, feral cats. These invasive animals have been wreaking havoc on the island's ecosystem, pushing many native species to the brink of extinction. As we walk through the island's stunning landscapes, imagine the sounds of birds chirping, the rustling of leaves, and the gentle breeze carrying the scent of eucalyptus. But amidst this tranquility, a silent killer lurks, stalking its prey with stealth and precision. Feral cats have been estimated to kill over 2 billion animals in Australia every year, including many endangered species found only on Kangaroo Island. The story we're about to share is one of hope and resilience, as a team of dedicated conservationists, scientists, and locals join forces to tackle this daunting challenge. With the help of cutting-edge technology, including artificial intelligence, drones, and thermal imaging, they're tracking down these elusive predators and working tirelessly to remove them from the island. We'll hear from Paul Jennings, the team leader on the feral cat eradication program, who shares some remarkable stories of success and the signs of recovery already being seen in the wildlife populations. We'll also meet Brenton Florence, a feral animal control officer who's developed an innovative robot to help track down these cats, and learn about the critical role that community support is playing in this effort. As we explore this incredible story, we'll also reflect on the broader implications of invasive species and the importance of preserving biodiversity. We'll discuss the devastating impact of the 2019-20 Black Summer bushfires, which saw a third of the island burned, and how conservation efforts like this one are crucial to rebuilding and restoring ecosystems. So join me on this journey to Kangaroo Island, as we uncover the fascinating story of the feral cat eradication program and the people working tirelessly to protect the island's unique wildlife. It's a tale of determination, innovation, and the unwavering commitment to preserving the natural world. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David, and we're excited to dive into our middle segment today. We've got a fascinating story about biotic resistance and how it affects microbial invasion regimes. You know, when we think of invasions, we often picture armies of organisms marching into new territories, taking over and displacing native species. But what if I told you that there's a way to predictably shift these invasion regimes? That's right, researchers have made some groundbreaking discoveries about biotic resistance, and it's changing the way we understand microbial ecosystems. A team of scientists, led by Xiaozhu Yi, or Shalev, and Christoph Ratzke, has been studying the dynamics of microbial invasions, and they found that biotic resistance can be a powerful tool in shaping these ecosystems. By analyzing data from various sources, including studies on Pseudomonas aeruginosa and Caenorhabditis elegans, they've developed a framework for understanding how biotic resistance influences microbial invasion regimes. So, what does this mean? Well, essentially, biotic resistance refers to the ability of native species to resist invasion by non-native species. In the context of microbial ecosystems, this means that the native microorganisms can push back against invading microbes, preventing them from taking over. The researchers found that by manipulating biotic resistance, they could predictably shift the invasion regimes, allowing them to better understand and control the dynamics of these ecosystems. This research has significant implications for our understanding of microbial ecosystems and how they respond to invasions. It also opens up new avenues for exploring the complex interactions between microorganisms and their environments. As we continue to learn more about biotic resistance and its role in shaping microbial ecosystems, we may uncover new strategies for preventing the spread of invasive species and promoting healthy, balanced ecosystems. That's all for this segment of Nature Walk. Mate, the world of microbial ecology is full of fascinating stories like this one, and we're excited to share them with you. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk, dear listeners. As we conclude our journey through the fascinating realms of the natural world, I'd like to take a moment to appreciate the intricate web of life that surrounds us. From the majestic trees that provide shelter and sustenance to the tiny microorganisms that break down organic matter, every living being plays a vital role in the grand symphony of nature. As we ponder the wonders of the natural world, let's also consider the importance of puzzles and brain teasers in helping us appreciate the complexities of life. Our friends at NPR have shared a delightful Sunday puzzle that challenges us to think creatively about the relationships between words and concepts. The puzzle asks us to name things that have attributes starting with the same first two letters as the thing itself. For example, a tree has a trunk, and both tree and trunk start with the letters T or I. This clever play on words encourages us to think about the connections between different components of our world. As we explore this puzzle, let's also reflect on the interconnectedness of all living things. Just as the roots of a tree are linked to the surrounding soil and the leaves are connected to the atmosphere, we too are part of a larger web of relationships that binds us to the natural world. The Sunday puzzle also reminds us of the importance of creativity and critical thinking in understanding the world around us. By challenging ourselves to think outside the box and make novel connections between ideas, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the beauty and complexity of nature. As we conclude this episode of Nature Walk, I'd like to leave you with a thought-provoking question. What are some ways that you can apply creative thinking and problem-solving skills to better understand and appreciate the natural world? That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, keep exploring your natural world. Whether you're walking in the woods, observing the creatures in your backyard, or simply gazing up at the stars, remember that the natural world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Until next time, stay curious, keep wondering, and let's walk together into the beauty and magic of the natural world.